In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive notes in Google Keep. Archiving is the quickest way to hide old or less important notes without deleting them, so your workspace stays tidy while everything remains safely stored for later. We'll walk through how to do it in your browser on keep.google.com and where to find those notes afterward. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear clutter from your main view while keeping your information close at hand. First, open your browser and go to keep.google.com. Once you're signed in to your Google account, you'll see your notes arranged as cards on the main screen. This is your primary view, where new notes and pinned items typically appear. Take a moment to scan through and decide which note you'd like to tuck away. Archiving works well for completed to-do lists, project ideas you may revisit, or reference info that doesn't need to sit front and center every day. To archive a note, hover your mouse over the note card to reveal its toolbar, or click to open the note if you prefer a closer look. On the note, find the Archive button near the bottom right of the card. Click it once. The note immediately disappears from your main view, confirming it's been archived. Nothing is deleted, and you can still open and edit the note later if you need to. Archiving simply moves it out of sight, so your active notes are easier to browse. So where did it go? Archived notes live in a separate section of Google Keep. To view them, look to the left-hand menu and open Archive. There you'll find every note you've archived, organized just like your main view, with labels, colors, and images intact. You can open any archived note to read or update it at any time, and it will stay archived until you choose otherwise. This makes it simple to reference past information without cluttering your day-to-day workspace. As a tip, think of archiving as your long-term shelf. Use it for material you might want to look up later: old shopping lists, meeting notes you've wrapped up, or detailed reference checklists. Keeping your main screen focused on what's current reduces visual noise and helps you find active notes faster, while everything else remains safely stored in the archive. That's all there is to it. Go to keepgoogle.com, select your note, click Archive, and retrieve it any time from the Archive section when you need a quick look back.